I've had a recent question. How do you get your lacing to disappear into your skin? A lot of times they feel like they can see their lace on their skin. Well, all lacing is transparent, so it should disappear into any skin tone. I am very fair. Sometimes, though, that can go against me because I have to always remove the makeup on my lacing pretty much almost every time I put my wig on. So if you are seeing the lacing on your hairline, I can almost bet it's because there's makeup on there. So what you want to do is remove the makeup from that lacing. You can use those makeup remover wipes. I recommend Burt's Bees for sensitive skin. And you can just kind of, fold it in there and just really gently, kind of move it in circles on the bottom and the top. And you would be surprised how much makeup you will find on your lacing. Because it will give a little bit of a, whatever the tint is of your makeup, most likely it's going to have been oxidized makeup and it'll be kind of a light orange tint that will be laying against your skin on top of your current makeup, and you will tend to see that lacing. So clean your lacing off before you put it on every time, and it should disappear into your skin. The other thing I recommend is to make sure that you're not wearing your wig too low on your forehead. That lacing has a better chance of disappearing into your skin if it is where it should be. If it's sitting a little too low, then it doesn't look as natural. You should be able to move your head, you should be able to see your forehead wrinkles. All of that should be a natural feeling. You shouldn't have it sitting so low that you feel like something's there. You know what I mean? I can always tell if I have it. I actually go the opposite. I tend to not wear them too low. Sometimes I'll wear them a little too far back, and they look, the lacing you can't see necessarily, but they look a little odd because I'm wearing them a little tiny bit too far back. My natural hairline has receded a little bit, so if I line it up to where my hair is actually growing out of my scalp, it really is visually a little too far. Technically, and this is what I have learned from Patty, from Wax by Patty's Pearls, watching her videos, you should do 4 fingers from kind of the middle, where the middle of your brows here. You should be able to do 4 fingers, and that is where your natural hairline should be. Now, some of you, have naturally a very small forehead, and that is where your natural hair growth is, and you got to wear it there. That's still going to look natural on you because that's your natural hairline. So just make sure that you're not wearing it, though, a little lower than it should be, because it just kind of makes that lacing stand out a little bit more. Even if it's kind of disappeared into your skin, I think you'll notice it a little more. Okay, thank you guys so much. I hope you find this helpful. And until next time, stay young at heart. Bye-bye.